Oh, damn it. Winter storm warning.
Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur.
Wait. Oh, coastal flood warning.
Details. The most significant impacts are expected to
Wow.
occur during the high tide Thursday morning, when moderate flooding is forecast. However,
I thought it was a winter storm warning.
cannot be ruled out for the Wednesday evening high tide. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate
I know.
protect life and property. Follow the recommendations.
He's talking about me.
Management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you
I thought it was a
think.
winter storm warning.
You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.gov/AHPS
Is that rare?
for water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge. At 3 p.m. at Philadelphia International
Whoa.
Airport, it was cloudy.
Coastal flood warning.
The temperature was 39.